Where am I? What year is it? Wait a minute. Oh, fuck. So I recently just traded in my old iPhone 10 in for the brand new iPhone SE, and after unboxing and using it for less than 20 minutes, to be honest, it's pretty much exactly what I thought it was going to be, to be honest. But that's not a bad thing. I mean, for $400, you really can't complain that much about the iPhone SE. I mean, this is the first time in quite a long time Apple has actually released an iPhone that's actually budget-oriented, because, I mean, realistically, who is actually willing to spend over $1,000 for a phone? I mean, yeah, sure, it's cool, but realistically, why would you do that? So for $400 for something that's literally just as fast as the iPhone 11 Pro, I mean, that's pretty good, not gonna lie. One thing that makes me really happy about the iPhone SE is the fact that it uses pretty much the exact same body as the iPhone 8. I mean, it uses the same chassis, almost all the exact same components, same camera, same home button, same screen. Really, the only thing they really changed in here is, I guess, the battery and the motherboard and everything on the motherboard, I suppose. But really, besides that, it's pretty much the exact same phone, just, you know, slightly more modern, snappier, and faster. And you really can't complain, to be honest. Really, the only complaint I kind of have with the iPhone SE is maybe the camera, because, I mean, it still uses the same camera as the iPhone 8, and even back in 2017, the iPhone 8 camera really wasn't that great in the first place, but, I mean, it's still fine. It still shoots 4K 60, pretty decent photos. I mean, it's basically the exact same camera as my iPhone 11. Granted, you don't have the ultra-wide lens, but, I mean, it could be better, but for $400, I still really can't complain that much. I mean, it still blows my mind, to be honest. So after 30 minutes and my first impressions of this thing, really good phone. $400, you really can't complain that much. Really, the only complaint I kind of have is maybe the camera, but that's just mainly me nitpicking, to be honest. I mean, it's still a pretty good camera, still takes really good photos and video, and really, you really can't complain about the iPhone SE for $400. Really, the only complaint that people may have is the fact they're just reusing the iPhone 8, parts, to be honest, but, I mean, you really can't complain that much.